Let's compare all these four tripods and one monopod from Amazon Basics, which are all budgets, and I have used all of them. So as if you're beginning in photography or any of those things where you are looking for a tripod, you must have came across tripods like these from Amazon Basics, or it's a smaller brother this, or Amazon Basics monopod, or a smaller tabletop tripod thingy. Let me tell you all about these, what are my experiences and which one to not buy. So I'm going to make this video very quick because I'm kind of in the middle of shifting, so that is where I found all these three, or I should say four tripods, monopods from Amazon. When I started, these are the tripods which I started with. Right now I have carbon fiber because with time I have realized with one bad experience that you should use tripods and bags on which you can rely for your gear safely. Or I think before these two tripods I purchased this small tripod thinking which extends. It's not a small thing, let me show you. So it extends to this length. It is good for your tabletop things like your smaller cameras like action cameras or DJI Osmo Pocket, things like that, or even your mic like Zoom mics, right? And that is where I upgraded from these two tripods to this bigger, heavier budget tripod from Amazon. So these are Amazon basic items. Now this is a tripod which I have a little bit confidence on. Again, not on the top part completely because I will tell you what accident happened with me. This top part of another tripod, but this particular model, it is dirty right now. I know there is a lot of all these cobweb and everything, but this is the tripod which I have used. Like there are scratches of use marks and everything. These all tripods come with their carrying case, which is kind of this, something for you to carry around and something for the protection when you keep it. So this tripod I would recommend anyone. It has great height. Let me show you. So when it comes to height, this is obviously we can expand the other leg too. And then it has a weird mechanism which is kind of okay but not a quick solution. So it doesn't just comes out, you have to kind of rotate this whole thingy to get that head up, which is okay but not too quick of a solution. But as you can see, it's almost there to my chin. So this is a great tripod with a good enough height, and it's a stable one too. Plus it's not, I mean in all these budget under 2000 Indian rupees, or I think under $30, this is the most expensive one. And if you are looking for long term, and if you have a camera mirrorless or a DSLR, this is the tripod which I would suggest. And I'm really sorry it is dirty. I don't have enough time left to clean it up and show you everything. Maybe in the near future. Out of this and the cheaper brother, which is kind of light and it fits very well. This on the other hand is a bit heavier and it's bigger too. Let me quickly weigh it to see how heavy it is. I have a weighing machine lying somewhere here. Yeah, so this is my weighing machine, and quickly checking this. So this one is around 1250 grams, which is not too light but not too heavy either. And this is somewhere around 550 grams, so which is quite light, and I mean less than half. And this monopod is a solid item. Let me tell you quickly about it. So this weighs around 360 grams. I don't know, this feels lighter, not sure. So out of these two, I will suggest this bigger one. Purchase one and then it will last you for whatever amount of time, as long as you take good care of it and you don't mount something very heavy. This tripod on the other hand costed me one light. So what happened was the top part of it, the one which fits in your camera, or the quick release plate, basically it is called quick release plate, that kind of broke off, and I'm not sure if I was overweight or anything. Luckily it was not a camera and then on top of that there was light. No, it was just LED light with Sony NPF 970 battery mounted on that, which is a bit heavier battery, not too heavy, but yeah, it kind of broke and it fell down. I'm not sure what went wrong, if it wasn't locked correctly or what, but that mounting plate like immediately broke and obviously a little bit damage to the light also, so that is a significant damage. It cannot like hold that battery now without using a tape, so that is that. So I will suggest the silver one, the bigger model, which is around 12-1300. This monopod is sturdy. If you are into budget, monopod has one job to do and it does that good. Plus, let me show you something else. It has a good enough height too, so you don't have to worry about, can I use that for my bird photography, or for my those shots where you kind of move your monopod. Or you can also use this monopod a little bit for hiking. I won't suggest you that you open all the way down, but yeah, you can use that for your a little bit hiking also. I mean, it's kind of a strong. See, I'm trying to bend it and I don't see any pull happening. It's okay for the price. Don't push it. It will perform good enough even for your telephoto lenses. So it has this rubber feet also. If you pull it back, it will kind of expose that spike, so you can use that spike also. It's a very small distance, but yeah, you can use this as a spike, or if you are on a rough surface, you can use this rubber. It is really rubber, so I'm pretty sure it will not skid off. Now all these tripods have this locking mechanism of a clip kind, which is, it doesn't make too much of sound like locking when you are locking, but it's not that great for silent kind of shooting, but it's okay. I mean, for a beginner, it's good enough. Plus, it's sturdy. Like I said, like, should I break it or try it now? Apart from that, that's pretty much it. I mean, it's out of these three, this monopod and that silver tripod is made up of good enough quality. And now let's talk about this particular small thingy. It is really useful, guys. I have mounted mics on top of that. I have mounted even DSLR, like with a very pancake kind of lens. I wouldn't say DSLR, it was a mirrorless with a pancake kind of lens, and it has handled so far okay. The main thing about you have to consider about this thing is that the top head with this ball, once you tight it, it doesn't fall off very easily. Now what happens is, if I put enough pressure, it will fall off, meaning it is meant for lighter devices only, like I told you earlier. So use it with your smaller action cameras or small point and shoot cameras also, you can use it, or with your mics like Zoom, H1n or any other thing. So this is ideally meant for tabletop or just keep it and forget it kind of things. But one thing which I will tell you, that it has lost that friction. If I'm correct, there was some friction which will hold these legs there. It has lost that, which is all right. There are rubber feet at the bottom, so once you put it somewhere, I'm confident that it will not shrink it back. But yeah, that friction is kind of gone. Like you can see those legs dangling around, which is okay. I mean, it's not a big of an issue for me. So everyone has to start somewhere, and these are all the tripods which I started with. Right now I have two more tripods apart from these, and both of them are this carbon fiber. One is from Benro and another is from Sirui, and I have one more monopod which I will show you soon. It is the best monopod, guys, your money can ever buy. It is around 7,000 to 8,000. I think somewhere around 8,000 in India, or somewhere around 120 some dollars in US and all. It is again from Sirui, and if you know what I'm talking about, you know what I'm talking about. This is one of the best money can buy. With time, I've seen that I usually tend to go handheld. I don't tend to use a lot of monopods. If I'm shooting videos of someone like workout and all, I tend to use gimbal. I'm kind of spoiled there. So these were all the Amazon Basics budget tripods, I would say. Let me know in your comment section if you want to buy any of them. You can use the link which I have shared, and I'll be grateful. See you again. See you soon, guys. Don't forget to subscribe.